I don't know, when it comes to like the best website or the best media platform or the best side hustle that you can actually make millions of naira in a month or even in a week, people don't mention YouTube. Like, bro, how can you mention social media platform that is paying without including YouTube? And the funniest part is that YouTube actually paid the most. If you think I'm lying, go ahead and ask monetized TikTok accounts how much they're making. Go ahead and check out on monetized Facebook. YouTube is one of the best social media platform, and I'm going to be teaching you or telling you right now the basic things you need and how you can actually grow, like what you need to actually do for you to grow really fast here on YouTube. I'm not going to get keep, and I'm not going to be sugarcoating any single thing at all. So hi my loves, and welcome back to another beautiful video. Welcome back to my channel. So without much being said, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of the best side hustle. Like, do you know that you can actually be posting videos on YouTube and be doing your 9 to 5 job, and without saying too much or without sugarcoating anything, in less than 3 months of being monetized on YouTube, I've made over $2,000. And do you all know what that simply means? In the country where I live, in 3 months, like 3 months, you cannot even make, like when we talk about salary work, in 3 months you cannot make up to 1 million. Am I lying? Well, it depends on the nature of your job, but I'm speaking based on myself. If I'm to go ahead to like get a job, even if I'm being paid 100k every month, in 3 months that is 300k. So if you are out there, you're looking for maybe a side hustle, or maybe you are a stay-home mom, you need something to like actually be doing, to be supporting your husband in one way or the other, go ahead and start up a YouTube channel. Don't say I not tell you. You can maybe create Facebook, create TikTok, also be vibing there, but take YouTube much more serious, because YouTube is the most YouTube is the money making machine in the year 2025, and YouTube has blessed a lot of people's life. First of all, me. Okay, so guys, let's go straight. If you're starting out, and okay, first thing first, for you to like be able to make money here on YouTube legally, like through the YouTube partnership program, is you need to get your 1,000 subscribers, and also you need to get your 4,000 watch hour. Those are the two things you need for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. And I'm not going to like tell you that it's simple to get, and I won't say tell you it's very difficult or like it's very hard to get. No, if you are on the right path, you can be able to meet these requirements and monetize your channel and start making dollars. Like so now, if you're just starting out, one thing that I'm going to advise you is get a niche. Don't come here and do, okay, let me post this on and post that one. You're going to end up bringing different people to your channel, and along the line you might even get burnt out. Now let's take for instance, there is no how you will rear goats, rear dog, rear cow in one particular place. No, like on YouTube here it doesn't work that way. It might work on Facebook and maybe you make your money. It might also work on TikTok, or literally that is what I do on TikTok. But on YouTube here, it's preferred you actually choose a niche. And when choosing a niche, there are some niche that pay higher and there are some niche that pay lower. Yes, there are some needs that you select that they actually pay very low. So I think that should be left to you. Go ahead and make your research on it. But if you still need me to talk on that, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'm here to serve you. Okay, now once you've picked a niche, the next thing you need to focus on is what we call the content itself. You see, content, you need to make sure that any video that you are bringing out is of value. Like, try your best to bring out valuable content. Nothing that YouTube value, in fact nothing that YouTube loves so much reach valuable content, because YouTube believes the main idea of this whole YouTube thing is you should provide value to any video you are bringing out here. Yes, because if you're providing value, you will keep seeing your viewers returning. That is when you start having returning viewers and more viewers. And when I mean valuable content, I don't just mean maybe okay, precisely valuable content I have to teach for me to give value. No, you can belong to a cooking niche and you're bringing out value. You can belong to, maybe you sew, like your handwork is to sew. Bring it up here to YouTube. Record yourself when you're sewing. Give us the vital information of what we need. Or maybe, okay, princess, my niche is comedy kind of niche. I make people laugh. You're giving value. You're making me to laugh. I will always go to your page when I'm depressed. Like, I will always want to watch your video because your video is going to brighten my mood or make my day. So that is why I will always go to your page to watch. So even if it is game, just make sure that you don't just pick up your camera and stone any video there. No, before you shoot the video, before you even post the video, you need to calm down and ask yourself, this video now that I want to bring out, if people watch it, are they going to get value from the video? Is it something that they will watch and want to come back to my channel? This is what should ring on your head before you even go ahead and make the post. So put your mind on providing valuable content. Now, after this, there's what we call channel general setting. You have to try your best to make sure you fix all the settings. That is, after creating your YouTube channel, go to your desktop version, and for you to get there, go to Google and type studio.youtube.com. Then when you type it, it's going to bring up an option for you to sign up your details, or maybe get you logged in direct. Then on that your YouTube Studio desktop version, go to your customization side, fix the setting, go to general setting and fix the setting properly the right way. And now if you're wondering, why do I even need to do this? You need to do it in order for you to be able to tell the algorithm itself what your channel, what your video, and what you're going to be doing on this YouTube street is all about. It's just like you feeding the YouTube algorithm with every single thing relating to your channel. Okay, hi Mr. YouTube, on my channel I'm going to be posting how to cook this, how to do that. Okay, Mr. YouTube, on my channel I'm going to be teaching people how to grow on YouTube street. Okay, Mr. YouTube, on my channel I'm going to be, all these things you're going to do it on that your YouTube Studio desktop version. And maybe if you're still confused or you don't even know how to get there, you can also do well to drop it in the comment section, and I might as well drop a video link for you on my main channel that you need to go ahead to watch in order for you to get this information right. Okay, now after you are done doing that, the next thing you need to go ahead and start doing is to start uploading your video. Mind you, before you upload, that is before you bring out that valuable content, you need to make sure that this particular setting is fixed the right way on your channel. Fix it the right way. Now start uploading your content. Now talking about the short aspect, any video you post on your long form content, take some of the most interesting or like the most important parts, remix them and post it to your shorts. Use the right hashtag. Try your best to optimize your videos. And if you're wondering what does it mean to like optimize a video here on YouTube, just go to your ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to help you with the best SEO title. Get this prompt. Now write this prompt down. Tell ChatGPT to help you with the best SEO title. Tell it to help you with the best SEO description, the best SEO tags, and the best SEO hashtag. Mind you, you have to get the title of your video at your head before going ahead to give it this prompt. Now you can be like for maybe example, I want to make a video on how to prepare Nigerian jollof rice, best Nigerian jollof rice. Then I need to go to my ChatGPT and I'll be like, hi ChatGPT, I did a video on my channel on how to make the best Nigerian jollof rice. So please, I need you to help me out with the best SEO title, the best SEO description, the best tags, and the best SEO hashtag. These four things, the ChatGPT is going to deliver the best answer for you. Now believe me, if you're able to like grow your channel this way, you're going to be at the right path. Now another thing that I mustn't forget is what we call thumbnail. You see, thumbnail, your thumbnail is the door to your video. You might have a great content, but your thumbnail might actually be stopping you from getting that views. So what do you have to do, or what do you need to do? Go ahead and optimize your thumbnail. try your best to bring out the best thumbnail. Now, under extra secret or like under Jara is any niche at all you are. Look for the people that is doing well in that your niche. Like the people that are like excelling well in that your niche. Copy their thumbnail. Don't go and do copy and paste. So try to recreate that kind of thumbnail. Like maybe you want to do a video on how to bake a cake. Don't mind me that I'm using cooking niche. I'm actually a foodie. Sorry. So let's say you want to bake a cake. Like maybe sorry, you want to post a video relating to baking a cake. Go and type it, how to bake a cake. You will see people that are doing so well in that your niche. Now check out for their thumbnail. Go ahead and recreate something like that. If they snap only the cake and the now write best cake, do your own self like that. If it is maybe that is the instrument that they snap and use it as a thumbnail, go ahead and recreate something like that. So this video is already getting too long. If you're interested in the part 2, do well to drop it on the comment section. Comment part 2 and I'll be dropping the part 2 very soon. So I believe that you find this video helpful in one way or the other. So go ahead and do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you've not liked it, and do not forget to share so that this news can get to a whole lot of people. And I'll always see you all in my next video, and I wish you success on your YouTube journey. Believe me when I say YouTube is one of the best social media platforms that you can actually start posting on and make money really fast.